Hello student. Now today we start our new chapter number 4, which is practical geometry. Practical geometry, in which we learn about how to construct some shapes. In our portion, the quadrilateral is there. Okay. So how to construct a quadrilateral? To construct quadrilateral, we need some apparatus. Okay, so I show you the some apparatus. First one, look, this one, it's called rounder, otherwise compass. Okay, that is in your compass box. Next one is half circle. Okay, and one scale. Okay, one scale, otherwise this type of set square, they are okay. Two means pair of set squares are there in your compass box. Okay, now constructing a quadrilateral. Okay, we shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilaterals. Okay, when the some measurements are given. Quadrilateral means, first we'll discuss about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure made by 4 line segments. In that 4 line segments are there. So these 4 are called sides. Means quadrilateral have 4 sides. It have 4 sides. Same, these 4 are the angles. Means it has 4 angles. And when these are the 4 vertices, if we join the opposite vertices, okay, we are having 2 line segments, it's called diagonal. Okay, so it have 2 diagonals. It has 2 diagonals, 4 angles and 4 sides. Okay, means we are having 10 measurements. Out of them, if some measurements are given, that time how to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, first today we discuss about that one. Okay, and introduction, how to construct a triangle. First one, construct a triangle when the measurement of 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, look, here quadrilateral is there, and suppose this one is diagonal, which is given, measurement of this diagonal given. So check it, it's divide that quadrilateral into 2 parts, and both parts are in a triangle shape. Okay, that means we have 2 triangle, and you just construct that 2 triangle, and you know that how to construct triangle. Okay, so what to do? We start with this one when the 4 sides and diagonals are given. Okay, so what to do? First you just construct a diagonal. In next period I already show you how, I will show you how to construct that one. Okay, today I just show in a rough way. Okay, so one diagonal, and then what to do? Just draw 2 sides at above side, these 2 sides. Okay, with help of rounder, and you just draw arc according to its measurement. Same here, draw 2 arc from both point, and just draw line segments at from the intersecting part of both arc. Okay, we are having the quadrilateral here. Second one, if 2 diagonals are given, measurement of 2 diagonals are given, and 3 sides are given. 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. That time what to do? That time also, look, rough sketch is there. Here, these 2 diagonals are given, and these 3 sides are given. Okay, so what to do? You just draw with, start with this diagonal, any one diagonal. Here we draw this one, and then these 2 sides which are already given. Okay, okay, you just draw arc here, and then mirror. Now what to do? Just draw a third diagonal, second diagonal with this one from here with help of arc according to its measurement. And same from this point, you just draw arc with measurement of third side like that. And from intersecting part, you just draw the line segment to the one point vertex, this vertex and one of that diagonal, and then just join the fourth one. Here we are having the quadrilateral. Okay. Third one, when the two adjacent side is given. Adjacent means nearest side. Adjacent sides are given and three angles are given. Okay. That time, for example, look here, one quadrilateral is there. Measurement of this angle is given. Okay. This angle and this angle. Okay. Suppose here 75, here 100, here that is 105. Okay. They are given. And measurement of these two sides are given. That is 3 centimeter and that one is 5 centimeters. Suppose. Okay. That time what to do? We just start with this side. Okay. Just construct that side here. Then draw 100-degree angle. Angle with measurement of 100 degree. Using of half circle like that. That is 5 centimeter. Okay. Take this one 5 centimeter. Then here 105 degree is there. So you just draw angle with that one here 105 degree. And from this one 75 degree here. And the intersecting point is our third point. And we are having the diagonal. Sorry, quadrilateral. Okay. So here when the two adjacent side means nearest side, these two sides are given and three angles are given. Okay. Another one is when the three sides are given and two included angles are given. Included angles means angles between the three sides. Okay. I just draw a rough figure here like that. Suppose these three sides are given and measurement of these two angles are given. Okay. So that time what to do? We just start with this side. Okay. Included side between that two angles here. Okay. Then take measurement of this angle here and measurement of this angle here with help of means draw these two angles with help of round. Okay. And take the measurement here. Measurement of these two sides are equal. Just mark them. Okay. So we are having the three sides and you just join that two points. Okay. So here we are having the quadrilateral. Okay. So here the quadrilateral is there. Next one is some special cases means special quadrilaterals are there. Okay. We discuss about that one. Some special quadrilaterals. So first one is square. So when square is given, that time only one side is given. Okay. When a construction of square, we are having only one side. Means they give us only one side. Okay. One side means all sides are equal in square. Okay. Measurement of any one side is given. So all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So you just start with any one side like that and draw 90 degree angle and take same measurement of this side. Okay. And again join that one. Okay. So we are having this square. Same for rectangle. In a rectangle, measurement of any two sides are given. Okay. In a rectangle. So we know that in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal in measurements. Means when in a rectangle two sides are given, two adjacent sides is given, we are having the four sides because opposite sides are equal, and we know that the opposite means all angles are 90 degree. Okay. Then third one is rhombus. Now, what is the property of rhombus? Okay, so we know that in a rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay, or measurement of all sides are equal, and both the diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means angle between their two diagonals is 90 degree, and measurement of opposite side, okay, of each one in each diagonal they are equal. Means both diagonals divide each other into equal parts. Okay, so when the measurement of this diagonal, suppose that is 7 centimeter, that means the half of that one is 3.5 and this one is also 3.5 from the center point, means intersecting of that two diagonal. Same measurement of this one is suppose 6 centimeter, means half is 3 centimeter and that one is also 3 centimeter, and angle is 90 degree. Okay, so that time we suppose the measurement of two diagonals are given. So what to do? Just draw both the diagonal with 90 degree angle, and if the measurement is given, you just take half of that one, the measurement, to the both side. Okay, suppose 6 centimeter is given, so from the intersecting point you just take 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. Same for this one. Okay, suppose 7 is given, so half of that one means 3.5 this side, 3.5, and then join the all side, all points, all vertices. We are having the quadrilateral. Okay, these are the special cases, special quadrilaterals in our portion. Okay, so today we discuss how to draw a quadrilateral, how to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, from next period we just start, okay, exercise 4.1, and in that one I will show you how to construct a quadrilateral when the measurement of four sides and one diagonal is given. Okay, thank you.